Hey guys, welcome back to High Times with Mary Jane's Girls. I have some special guests in the building, and I have actually been waiting for y'all to come all week because you talked a good game.
Okay, now
online. So go ahead and introduce yourself.
Okay, hi you guys. I'm Portia. We also have Pleasures by P, intimate apparel sleepwear line. Make sure you follow us at Pleasure without the S by P on Instagram.
Hello, I'm Erica, and I'm here for support on both sides.
Right.
So listen, I know Erica through a mutual friend. Every time we link up, it's always a good vibe. We always like catch a nice little, high together. It's just always a good time. So I wanted to have her come on, and then especially her sister, because I am all for women entrepreneurs, and y'all know. Oh, and she brought me over some treats too. I'm gonna drop it in here, her link and everything in, so that y'all can see it. I might give y'all a little sneak peek what I look like.
A little sneak
peek. Because it's really good quality. I took a look at it already upstairs. I was like, damn, this is some nice quality. So I'm all about quality. So we are about to get it started. We're going to see if they can hang, because they talk a good game. We're going to finish this one off first. This one is, I think it's Sunset Sherbet. OG Sunset Sherbet is my favorite strain. Okay, so I always like to ask girls, are you a sativa or indica girl?
I'm an all over.
I love
Dab and anything.
Cause it's like I want some that's gonna sedate me at certain times, then I want some that can keep me afloat and keep me going. So it just depends on what time of the day and what I got going on. Cause when go chill time, you want to just be chill and mellow. But sometimes you might be at work, your cold can get on the nerve. You just need to get in the game. All right, I'm here, I'm back.
So wait, the sativa, I really don't feel high with sativa. I just feel like bing, like
yeah, it just get you there.
Alrighty, like I can knock some damn work out on it.
Right.
But I like the indica because it made me like
chill, real smooth vibe.
Right.
But I guess it depends on the strands, because you do have your different strands, and then you do have your different levels. So, and then also the person, your person, how you take the weed and how it does for you yourself.
Okay.
So if you are a person that's just starting, of course, anything that you hit probably will get you high.
Okay.
But if you are a vet in the game like us, we've been doing this for years. It might take us a couple of them.
Right.
Not just more than one.
But you know what? I like OG.
I love OG.
Give me that.
OG is like it's like, to me it seems like it's always perfect for the occasion.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? If you need to pick her up, or you need to just calm your nerves, calm down your emotions, or if you one of them type of people who need weed to go to sleep or need weed to function, because some people can't eat without smoking weed, some people can't sleep without smoking weed, and some people like me, I use it for like a pain relief. Like I don't like taking medication unless it's like necessary.
Yeah.
I'll catch a whole infection if you depend on me to take the pills. But if I can, substitute some weed real quick, hit a blunt once or twice, pain goes away. So I like the natural effect and the organic of it.
Okay.
Versus a pill that I gotta wait 45 minutes to take an effect, gonna make my hair fall out. It's gonna make my skin break out. I could just roll me up a nice little joint.
That's why I tell people I think pain is a mind thing. Because the weed kind of relaxes you.
It does.
You take my pain
When you
away.
tense. So it literally like, if I'm having like, oh, not on my rolling tray. All of my friends do that. Okay, so let me ask you this. When you roll up, do you roll on a rolling tray?
I have a tray.
Okay.
I have a big tray. So I
roll up on anything.
Really?
Yes, it doesn't matter. I roll up on anything. I can roll, and for me, I can roll. Some people can roll just certain ways. I can roll different types of blunts, like different sizes.
You don't like doing it on a tray? Like, what do you do? If you had the comfort of your home, what do you bust it down on? You have a go-to thing. You got to have a go-to thing.
Anything.
A flat surface.
All I need is a flat surface.
And a nearby trash can.
If I'm in the car and the car is moving, I am rolling. If somebody's driving, we need weed to where we're going.
She's our designated roller.
I roll real well. I roll very well.
And very fast.
And very fast. And my blunts are nice blunts. I like clean, nice blunts. I like my lines to be split. I do not split with my fingernails. I have a little knife that I split my blunts down with.
This is technical.
Yeah. There's a whole strategy to it.
I really feel that.
It is. And then sometimes, depending on where we at in the time that we have, I might have already had my weed already bust out and my blunt already bust out. So all I have to do it's rough.
So I want you to meet my boyfriend because I want him to show you how to do it with the filter and then do it. Right. And I want to learn from a woman because he gets so frustrated when he's trying to show it to me. And when you're trying to hold this little filter thing and roll at the same time, that shit is hard. Yeah. I like let it go. It's like, it's great. Okay, so how long, when was the first time you hit a blunt?
The first time I hit a blunt that I can recollect, it had to be when I was like 20, in my early 20s.
Okay.
And I did it because I was in college taking accounting.
Thank you.
Okay. Ooh. Shit.
And
who was it with? Who introduced you to it?
Oh, my ex-boyfriend.
Okay.
So one day I was like, I used to always come home and struggle with my homework to the point because I wanted to master it so bad, and it was like my brain just couldn't grasp the concept of accounting, and I would like cry. Cause I was just like, oh my God, I can't get on. Stressed out. So one day he like walked past me. He was a smoker, so it didn't bother me. I was just like, he was just like, here, hit this. And this was back then in the mid days. This was back then when mid was the best thing since sliced bread, cause gas really wasn't. Nobody was smoking it.
Nah.
Now, no, you not a real smoker. You ain't hit a mid blunt back in the day. Not now, but back then.
Wait. You know you keep looking at the live and not the camera. I don't want them to be in the comments like, who is she talking to? We on live too at the same time, y'all. So yeah, so you like the meat?
At the time, yes. Shout out to Jay and Decatur. I got the best meat in the city. But he was like, here, hit the blunt, like calm your nerve, like just chill, cause you crying about homework. That's crazy. So I hit it. And then when I look back at the paperwork and my homework and my ledgers, it like clicked. I was like, oh, all I gotta do is that's easy. So I would smoke every time I did my homework.
Man, I always tell people when I smoke, I come up with my best ideas. Best. My head is like so creative.
Your brain open up.
Yes.
It's like the sober you is blocking your full potential to think that far.
But it's like a constant move. It's like constantly just like moving. And you coming up with all this stuff. But sometimes I be real chill. And I get into some deep thoughts too. I really do. I do get into some deep thoughts.
Oh, don't let me fuck around and clean up. Hi.
Girl.
That shit.
That's the best class.
That's why I be sleeping, wake up and be like, damn. I be zoned the fuck out.
Yes.
I'm talking about like move the whole couch. You can't stop.
I be like in mid blunt, like
now my thing is
start back.
I don't like to wash clothes. I hate washing clothes. And then
it's not the wash, it's the folding.
In the folding part, I hate real bad. So let me smoke real quick. I'm trying to tell you them lows start getting the washing.
Ass lighter that is. I don't know how
First
they
of all,
got in here.
we gonna stop by these. We gonna got a big.
I don't know.
Cause these right here. Oh, why we don't like these?
But we still use them though, shit. Cause they still.
But you see how many times I done had? I'm here like, damn.
They always
this right here, the rolling part. The rolling part is the aggravation.
They always be around.
So we're gonna have clipper lighters. You familiar with that kind of lighter versus a big? I wish I had.
You talking about the one that just go like this?
Yes.
Yes, I got one.
That's the kind that we gonna offer over here. I'm gonna make everything so smooth and easy for ladies. They gonna love it.
Yeah.
They gonna love it. So what advice do you have to someone that says they're paranoid? Cause that like, when people tell me like, oh, I don't smoke weed, I get real paranoid. I'm just like, I've been smoking weed forever.
I don't know, cause I ain't never had that feeling.
You never been paranoid on it?
I ain't never been paranoid.
One time.
Oh, wait.
I had a scare because the weed was just too good. Like,
yes, I did.
You ever smoke one time but I got scared?
You got too high.
I didn't get paranoid. I got too high.
Or something. Like,
I got scared like of the high. Like,
girl,
scared of the high.
Yeah. But not just
like that.
Because when I think it depends on the person. Because the sober me, I might get like anxiety or get paranoid or just get overly excited.
Okay.
And I have to smoke weed to calm myself down. So it just depends on the person.
Right.
Because you got some people that are naturally just like that. Like,
and it also depends on the weed.
It do. Because I had some shit that was so goddamn smoking. I literally yelled at my boyfriend like, hey, don't ever give me this again. I don't like to be that high.
Yes.
I don't like to like take the high all the way up.
Yeah. Right.
I like my high to go in cruise control. Like now, I'm laid back, I'm chilling, I'm catching a vibe, you know. But other than that, if it's too high, I get like, if I'm in a club, I don't like all that. Like, don't be trying to talk to me.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I've been like that in the club. I'll be smoking and just be in my own zone.
That's me.
I hate when you smoke weed. I'm like, what you talking about? I can be
chill.
chill.
You be chill.
You be real.
But in my mind, I'm thinking that y'all enjoying the chill me. We having a good time.
Like I'm vibing.
I'm not saying nothing, but you can catch like it's like I'm like doing like this, like catch this energy. My shoulders moving, and bitches be like, "Girl, is you okay? You just zoned out." I'm like, "Whoa, calm down." No, people that like be like, "Oh, I don't smoke weed." I'm like, "You need to smoke weed." And like when people tell me that they don't smoke weed, that are like always like, and I'm like, "You need to smoke weed." And they're like, "Oh, it makes me so paranoid." I always tell people, if something makes you paranoid, it's not your flower of choice. Find a different kind. Every weed is not the same.
Flower of choice. I like that.
Yeah, that's what we over here preaching about. Like over here at Mary Jane's, this isn't weed. This is flowers. The
God, is for us.
And flowers are for girls. You know, like the men, with cannabis and men, like women, we get so left out. Everything is so manly. Just like this tray here. This not even one that we're gonna go for, but this is my boyfriend tray. But this is so masculine. It doesn't make me feel like, oh, this is like my tray. This is my
Marley one.
Like yes.
Where's the pink? Where's the shimmer?
Right. We like soft. You know, this is so hard. But when I have this book, like if this book was a rolling tray, look at this. This is soft for our eyes. It's fucking the tones of the colors. This is something to roll up on and feel good about. Like, okay, this is my tray.
I gotta get high, girl.
I'm getting dehydrated. Talking on your phone with your friend in your vibe. This is yours. Your man's not going to want to touch it. You don't have to grab your man's tray. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. And just because of that, I'm going to buy me a female tray. Babe, get your own tray. I'm going to have my own tray.
And then the ashtrays are so masculine. I said, I'm going to come out with the lips. My boyfriend don't never, if we smoking, he'll grab his own ashtray. He won't even put his in there. And you know what? That's fine by me because this is my shit.
Yes.
And I know it ain't going to get tore up with you.
Okay.
Yes. What?
Why? Did that?
A man will tear up a whole bunch of shit. Am I high or is the number still counting on there? Can y'all see it?
We can't see it. Let me check mine.
Oh yeah, mine's still going. I'm about to wait. Okay. So should we finish this and then eat? Because I prepared a spread.
Okay.
I would like to finish.
You like to finish it?
I'm a smoker. I don't like breaks. I don't like timeouts. I don't like stop and goes. I just want to complete it and then walk away.
So on every episode of Mary Jane's, I haven't told one people this. You always eat. I'm gonna feed. Cause like who wants to just get high and I'll be like, all right, y'all, bye. Food go with weed.
Exactly.
It tastes so fucking
girl.
Yes, they put it on another level.
It takes your taste buds up 10 notches.
It does.
That's why people like to, that's why I love to eat.
That's another reason.
It's like the best thing, like the best feeling. And it's like you want to make sure it's right for you. Like, let me put that extra sauce on my stuff and look. The normal you wouldn't have did that. You would just ate it just like it was. Right. Go about your business and settle for what you got.
But when you high, you take it to another level.
Yes. And you always just add a notch of greatness to it. That's why I like smoking weed. I feel like weed bring out the best in me. When I'm sober, a lot of shit may go on my head at times.
Yeah.
But when I'm high, I'm sharp as a motherfucking knife.
Sharp as a motherfucking knife.
Those numbers is fucking off and I seen it.
I can hear somebody walking behind me so quick and I'm sharp. Like people be thinking like, oh, you out of it when you high. I'm out of it when I'm drunk. Okay? When I'm drunk, I'm just like.
I don't like drunk. Okay? Drunk, I don't. Take you straight incognito. I can never say I was just so high out of my mind, I just blacked out. Never.
Never. I've never heard anybody say that.
For a very long time.
So
on a daily basis.
Have you ever had a period where you didn't smoke?
Yeah, I can always break from. I can always avoid.
Yeah. For how long? What was your longest break?
I did like 5 months.
Okay.
And it was probably like a year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Weed is not what they say it is.
It's not something that I depend on. It's something that I like to do. When I like to do it.
I walked away already for 5 years, and I just came back to it. That was a long time.
That is a long time.
I don't feel like we hold you like other drugs do.
No, it doesn't. I can easily say,
because you in control of it.
And you can know your limit. You can know your limit.
You know, you have control of that.
Right.
It's not controlling you.
Right.
It's by choice.
So I came back to it with the choice because my period cramps, I have PCOS, so my period cramps be like, I'm dying, okay? So I've been through every narcotic, every pain pill that you can get over the, from your doctor, over the counter. At this point, I swear to God, like, I believe that God always talks to me. And I was here by myself, and he was like, roll up. I rolled my boyfriend blunt up. I literally calmed the fuck down because I was already tensing up because of the cramps. I was relaxed. I didn't have to take pain medicine. I don't take pain medicine anymore because of that. If I'm feeling nauseous, have you ever hit a blunt like, hey, after you like feel nauseous?
Yes.
That shit be like, boom,
you go away. I be
Nothing.
having like, I'm not a person that like experience pain a lot. Okay, outside of the norm and natural.
Okay.
So it's like, I have these random freaking headaches, like just pain. And again, I'm a person that don't feel pain on a regular, and I don't like it when I do feel it. Okay? I just don't. No, I'm like, man, they don't make me feel good.
Yeah.
And it's like I would go home, hurry up, let's roll up, I gotta smoke. Like, I know as soon as I hit the first 2 hits,
you straight, you relax.
It just magically goes away and never come back. Like
that shit is crazy. I didn't even think about it. Never comes back. Cause after I get high, when I'm on my period, I'll take a nap. I wake up, I'm not high anymore, and my period cramps are fucking gone.
And it's like you feel good while you smoking weed, while you smoking the weed. You feel good while feeling the effect. And the best thing ever to me is like that after effect of being high. Like,
man, what?
Like the wake up, like that wake up, that.
You be so goddamn refreshed, like you be like a new bitch. This is a new year. I'm in 21. I'm saying like already. Like you cannot fuck my day up when I wake up refreshed.
We put like this barrier around you from head to toe, and it protects your insides and outsides. Like we not gonna let that happen to you while this weed is maneuvering through your system. But as soon as you like just completely gone and it's over with, you notice the difference.
Yeah,
I don't care what nobody say. You notice the difference.
Like you feel.
And you were happier when you were high.
Yeah. You change.
I even get excited just smoking, like just sitting here with y'all and this in my hand.
Yeah. It's just like, if you feel weird if you're not, like, if it's been for a few hours and I know my body know it, like, okay, we need to relax for the day. I don't feel good. Like, I'm like, I want to go home. Like, I just want to smoke my weed, catch my vibe, then, like, come back. Damn, after this video, somebody's probably looking for the weed, man. They probably like, damn, they making that shit. No, but I'm dead ass. I love to be around people that understand it on a different level. I don't like to smoke with people who just want to get high. I want them to be in tune with it because it's a plant and it's stuff that the government is trying to keep us away from.
And you know why?
Very much so.
This stuff helps you with a lot of stuff.
Man, what? It be curing all kinds of stuff. Anxiety, depression. Man, anxiety. I have really bad anxiety. Like, I'm socially awkward. And like, okay, you meeting me today, right? Like this. But if you were to meet me in an outside setting and I wasn't high, you'll be like, what's wrong with that bitch? Like, she'll be acting like that on Instagram. Like, she over there quiet to herself. Because I can't do it in front of a large crowd until I warm up. So now that I know you and like you'll come with my other friends, I'm warmed up to you now. But when I hit this blunt, I'm walking in the room like, hello, everyone. Any smokers in the building? I'm going outside for my first session. It just helps so much. And the government just wants to run the money behind the medication and kill us. And it's just so crazy.
Yeah.
I just read an article. They said people that smoke weed are less to have, women are less to have breast cancer.
I heard that too.
And now that I was thinking about it, I was like, I never knew anybody with cancer that
And
smoked weed.
any like heart condition, it blocks it too. Cause they have that, they be giving that to people that have certain medical conditions like the weed card.
Yeah, I can't wait till they start that shit.
It's the real.
It's about to come. It's the real.
They need to hurry the fuck up.
Yeah,
my friends, but they need to hurry up.
That's
all that other stuff don't take time. Nothing else take time. What the stuff we need.
Right.
Okay, I'm ready to eat now.
What's up, baby?
All right, what's wrong? See y'all on the